G'day guys, it's the Chevy Man. Today episode is about the rear screen of a 4-door hardtop. Danny from On-Site Screens will be coming down to install it over my mate's place, Jimmy's. And this car is a 4-door hardtop. It's a 210, right-hand drive 210 and rear car. And he's going to be installing it today. We'll see you there. Okay, we're here at Jimmy's house. That's his 4-door hardtop 210. Yep. We're going to install this front screen, which we've got sitting here ready to go. In fact, we're putting a new front screen in, and we've got a rear screen that's going to go in. That's the one we want to show you how that is going to be installed. The convertible, the 4-door hardtops come up nice. We've been working on it for quite a while. Put it together for him, helping him out, and that's the rear screen we're going to go in. Now these are interesting. These corners. Everybody knows a 4-door hardtop, they're a beast. Now, as you see, somebody has screwed there and there to put it back in. They didn't have the original brackets, but Jimmy, I told him how to make up a new one, and he looked at it and he's made the clips that go on the back. It's just a bit of plate. All they are is a bit of plate, and the screws that go through the original holes there and there, that pulls it up. Where, you know, guys don't have that plate anymore, they just screw it in there and screw it in there, and it looks terrible. We've got to try to block that up. But that's an interesting point. And another one about the 4-door hardtop 210. Now this is a genuine right-hand drive Aussie delivered 4-door hardtop. Yeah, so the seats were done ages ago, but we're just putting it back together again. And I'll show you the difference here. This is an interesting point. On the Bel Air, that part goes straight across. It's really thick. But if you look at that point, it's actually made, it comes around thinner and it runs along the edges all the way around. That's the difference between a 210 and a 4-door hardtop. 210 is only very narrow, very narrow. It's not as wide as that, which a Bel Air goes all the way through. And also down here, you have the chrome bit that goes in between there on the Bel Air, where this is not even cut out for it to sit in there. That's the difference between a 210. That's one difference. What we did differently, we put the actual flasher in, insert, because he didn't like the painted, he liked the insert. But back to just a Chevrolet, no Bel Air badge. And we are installing aerials, twin aerials in the back. And yeah, it's a 350 turbo 700. So she's a nice car, and Danny is ready to come and install that screen. And there's the new windscreen, new rubbers, moulds, all ready to go on. And that's for the rear. Ready to go. Well, we've already found a problem. Don't use old clips, as Danny would say, because they all break on the inside, which we didn't realise. You've got to have the little part, that part there. And these are the old ones are broken. And so, yeah, you got to see it. If you're using the old ones, you got to make sure you've got these that little part there. See, where is it? Just there. That grabs the back of it, because they break. See a little bit in the back, like so. These ones haven't got it. Gone. So it doesn't hold the mould. Well, that's the one upset. Hopefully Danny's got some in his car, otherwise there's a setback. Yeah, and there's the we've just taken it off. And here's those little, all they are is little plates. And we done slotted them, the holes, so that way you can move this bolt up or down, or wash on it to get in the right spot. You could slide it, you know, if you need to move it up and there, you've got a bit of play, because to get it spot on, it's hard. The main thing is you get it behind these tags and it's stuck and it's wedged in, you know, it's wedged in there. And if you have to move the bolt, just move back and forwards. Great idea, Jimmy. He's doing a good job. You're always on it, aren't you, Danny?
Still on it.
Still on it. And that's your favourite?
That's my secret weapon.
Secret weapon, favourite material.
Bit of Vaseline is my secret weapon.
Oh yeah. Easy to get on. Better sliding for the mould.
Stops them from rusting.
Stop it for rusting, yeah, yeah. Very good.
And a bit of Vas keeps everyone happy. See, you're smiling. You watching the video now, you're smiling too when I come around with the Vas.
That nightmare rear screen, isn't it?
It is a bit of a nightmare, but she'll be right. We're in high hopes, good spirits.
That's it, that's it. Here we go, we're stringing it. We pushed it in position. And that's the tap where we got to get it wrapped around. Yeah.
Use a shoelace string, something really thin. Needs a little tap.
You've got to ask the most important question.
What is it?
Where's the cat going to sleep now?
Now I put the windows in.
Yeah,
It's called lock-up stage.
That's right.
Beautiful.
Well, that sounds like it's clipping in nicely
A
there.
little tap.
It does feel like it's
Do the other side. Come around that way.
that's where the old shoulder plays up when
Yeah,
you
that's what the
the
old
banging.
shoulder does, yeah.
Good.
Wouldn't want to be your dad when you were slapping the cats.
He's going there. That's beautiful. Killing it, Danny. Killing it.
Slowly, surely win the race.
Yeah.
This is the fun part. This is the fun, messy part.
The gook, the gunk,
goop.
the gunk, the goo, or the whatever you want to call it.
You got to push it all in. Fill up all the gaps.
Yeah.
Because here in Australia it rains, not like California.
Well, they say it doesn't rain there, but I think it does now and again. Well, the bottom trim's going on, and we get it spot on, and we won't tell you how long the corners took us to get on. They're a beast. They are a beast.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Clickety clack.
Yeah,
That's it.
beautiful. It's in like a glove.
Beautiful. Done. On the bottom.
At the bottom.
One down, one to go. One
That's
down.
it.
I'm gonna fix that up. Beautiful. And yeah,
Nice job here.
get in there.
Get in there.
That's lined up.
That's
lined
why
up.
the old hands and the shoulders gone. Danny, it's all this banging.
All the banging.
Not the right banging too.
Is it really the right banging? That's why you mark your clips. Makes it
Great
easier.
idea. Yeah, great idea. You know exactly where they are.
No
they
point
hit the
hitting
spot.
here and here if there's nothing in the way.
That's right. True.
Alright, let's do the other side.
Okay. This is the beast. Support it a bit from the back.
Alright, you're holding it.
Yeah.
You lift the rubber up. Put my homemade tool in. That's it.
Beautiful. And pulls that nut up.
About it.
Looks like it's tightened.
It's getting tight. That's how she sits.
Beautiful.
Beauty.
Back screen is in. Just need that good old touch of cleanup. And then he's working on that front one. He's doing a good job there too, as per normal.
Okay.
Those scutcheons are a beast, aren't they?
They are shit. All done, you can let go.
All good.
That's one.
The other side.
Wow, we got the screen in. The boys have done it, and I tell you what, as they will got 3 of them to put that scutcheon on there. That is a beast to get on there, to push that down, pull that up, and put that nut on. Always a beast. Always a problem with those original ones. Aftermarket ones are longer. I don't know why GM did make them that little bit longer. Only about ½ an inch he needed. But new screen in the front looks great. We'll put the wipers in soon. And the rear one looks great now. All cleaned up. All cleaned up. And all fitted. Yep. Danny done a great job. As per normal, he is got plenty of patience, and that's what you need. Plenty of patience and very good with his hands. So now all we're going to do here, we're going to start finishing it off. Put the mould on here all the way up, and the rubber below it, and we'll complete her. So that's Jimmy's sedan. 4-door hardtop sport sedan, I should say. Right-hand drive, Aussie dash, and an original 210 steering wheel. There it is there. And nice pool coating, matches the dash. Beautiful. Yeah, we just installed the wipers. That brought it, finishes it off there, and we just installed the mould all the way around. Yep, that looks all good there. Yeah, just starting to put the thing together, and wow, what a difference! What a difference it makes. That's all together, and we even put a mirror on with the chrome mould on top. Looks much better, doesn't it? Now we're going to put that rubber on. That rubber mould is a bit of a beast because we might have to get a new one. These are pretty old and battered right through. Well, if it's done, we'll get it finished. Well, we're back from Jimmy's. That's how you put a rear screen in a 4-door hardtop. Danny done a great job. When Danny left, I done a little bit extra on the car, as I do to help my mates. So, if you enjoyed that, please subscribe, or if you like it, tick like. And thanks for watching The Chevy Man.